Hello guys, so this is day 2 Arctic Forum task 7 in this advent of cyber try hack me. So let's get started. So firstly, if you are new, so I'll tell you what you need to do. You need to go, one second, let me open a new tab, and then you need to connect to the Open VPN server via the like my cyber world close other at OVPN. So you need to click firstly connect to the server, and as you can see when I click this after typing my password, I actually could see this thing. In the end I saw this one, initializing sequence complete. After this you will know that yeah, your connection has been secure. So I hope you've already done that. Then you need to click on deploy and your machine will start. It says 5 minutes, but it takes actually more than 5 minutes, like depends. And so here you are. So this is my ID of my machine. So let me real quickly go and type it here, and since it's set that the port was 3000, yep, one second. See, so this is the page you will see. I'll reload it again. Yep, so this is basically the page you see every time you log in. And now the first question is, what is the path of the hidden pages? So firstly, what I am going to do is I am going to actually download GoBuster or install GoBuster. So how can you install GoBuster is this line, and I'll paste this thing into the description box below. So this is how you can install it. So when I installed it, so you can see over here after cloning it, there is this thing, dir search. So if I'll actually directly press this command of dir search, it's not working like this. See, look, now I'm going to write this thing, it won't work. But if I am going to go inside this thing, dir search, yep, oh sorry, yeah, now I can actually type this, and yep, and I can write my command. So let me clear this real quick. Search py and the name of the website. So I'll put this in the description box, don't worry, this one and even this one if you want. So this is the website. So I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to paste it over here and paste, and I'm going to remove the login. So you can even use GoBuster, or even you can use this thing, or even you can use dirb, but fine, I'm going to go with this -u host name and -e. So this is the host name, so I'm going to write -u in front of it, and for -e is the file extension. I'm going to write HTML. Like we are going to look for all types of pages and all. So as you can see, it's running, and once this is over, you will see something like this. Like for the first one example, let's the first one come over here. So it's going to check, see, it's checking so many names. As you can see, this is the same as admin. It's the same as this, and in the end you will get this over here. You can actually even use GoBuster. This is just like that one, and I actually got kind of the same thing, like admin sh css, admin sh css home, and it's like, say, it's happening over here. So I'll quit this real quick, and then you will notice over here this like HTTP signal, kind of, you can say that, and 302, I guess it's, I don't remember what 302 is, but 200 means okay. Like it's okay for you to go at that web page. So I'll go real quick and I'll type HTTP 302 response, and it's found, and I think it's redirect. Okay, So basically it's redirect. So when I'll go and I'll just copy this thing real quick, the 302 redirect one. Like example, I'll take CSS right now. 301, okay fine, I'll search 301 as well. 301, permanently redirected. Okay, so just like this thing, I'm going to go, rather than login, I'm gonna go in CSS, which you can see over here, /CSS. As you can see, cannot get this thing because it has been moved permanently, but there is this 200 which I can actually go. So I'm going to write and go to sysadmin, and yep, I can see it. So for the first answer you get which is the path of the hidden page. So everything is kind of something else. Login, yeah, which you saw first was 200, and this is headroom which you saw right now 200. It's working. Then what is the password you found? So the password, actually, after going to sysadmin, like first there was a login page. Once again I'll show you the login page again. This was the login page. Then there is, see, in the login page you see this one, North Pole guy. And there is sysadmin, in which you see admin login. And now the email and the password is what we require. So I'm going to go to inspect elements, and you see something over here, admin portal created by Arctic Digital Design, check out GitHub repo. So this is just a comment which I'm going to search, Arctic Digital Design. So let's go Arctic Digital Design, and I see a GitHub repo, and yep, I got the username and the password. So I'm going to copy the password right here, and as you can see, this is the password I found, and you have completed the second question. And the email was admin, and the password was this one which I just show you, this one, default pass, and yep, you are in. For the third question, like what do you need to take to part A? So I'll close this real quick, and it's like, please don't forget to bring buyouts, bring your own egg knot. So the answer is egg knot. We need egg knot to part A, and egg knot is this. And with this we have successfully completed the day 2 of the Try Hack Me. Even though I think you knew how to boot, but please like, share and subscribe, and keep watching for more videos. I'll put the link for the third one or the first turn in the description box if I make them. So please like, share and subscribe. Bye.